sir, in my incident form, it is looking very nicely. Left side it is arranged, right side it is arranged, and these two are came separately and then fit to the frame. Nicely it is showing. But for my page, I didn't like my page, sir. Correct? It is in like same pattern. How can I do the arrangement? Correct, ma, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. So if that is the case, how we do, right? So see here, first the arrangement, right? It is called as designing the form. So we created a column, okay, and we seen all the types of column. Now we are designing a form of our table, right? So first time when you're doing it, so take a duplicate, okay, duplicate form of it means same form in a another, okay. Keep this page alive, and here in the same table form, right click, configure form design. When you are designing the form, first time use design only, okay. You can use it with form layout also, but first time when you're designing it for first time, you always check this one only, okay. So why, sir? I will tell you why is the reason, okay, but just take only this one, right? Now form design, right? So the form design page looks like this, right? For this table, this is how the form is right now, okay. And now this is how it is, and this is how it looks in the form. Very good, right? Now I want to show it in two sides, right? So columns, two columns, make it two columns, okay. So you made this frame in two splitted, two splits. So right now it is one. So now it will become two like this. Okay, one column, two column. Okay. Now arrange your things. Okay, see here cursor. Very carefully see. Right now this cursor is arrow. Okay. Now the cursor is normal hand pointer. Okay. Now the cursor is holding one. Okay. Now when you have this, when you keep your cursor on these three dots, okay, four two dots, okay, it holds it, then hold and then drag it. Now I am hold it and then drag it. So I want the number field should be on top. Number, employee, employee email ID, phone number, manager. Okay. Type of certification, I will move to right. Hold it and then dragging it. Drag and drop. Okay. You get the hold only when you keep your cursor on this particular dots. If you keep here now, then it's not holding. Understanding it, ma? Yes. So active,
Yes.
yeah, active move to right. Okay. So here only you keep it, and ticket state you keep to right. Okay. In live environment, sir, how I will know, sir? Okay. This one to keep here, this one to keep here. How I will know? Okay. In live environment, they will give you description exactly in the story. They will give you where to keep, which field to keep where. Okay. Here we are just dragging and dropping it. Okay. That is our choice. But in live, you get it very clearly. You get it. So I arranged it, na, right? As per my requirement. However, I want to keep my form. I arranged it. Now save it. Okay. Do we need create it? Not required, na. So I don't want created field in my form. So just cancel it. If you cancel it, this one will go and show here. Okay. So cancel. So these are all available, and these are all available in the form. Okay. So now save, right? So now when you save it, the design of the form is designed. Now you see the results here. Refresh the form. The arrangement done, right side and left side. Yes, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So the arrangement is pretty much same like incident form, but okay, the incident form is showing these two very worthy, very fit to the frame, but mine is showing not fit to the frame. It is exactly limit to something, correct? Okay. Left hand side, right hand side it came, but only these two are not showing correctly. Is that correct? My everyone noticed it? Yes, everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
how this is done, sir? How I need to drag it? Okay, to sit fit here till here. Okay, very carefully see. Now, for first time, I'm telling like this. Okay, from now onwards, we use the same. Okay, same kind of path to learn anything. So consider like I don't know anything about service now. I'm learning it. I'm doing it for first time. Okay, and when I'm doing it for first time, right? Right now, this is what my situation. I want to do it bigger. Okay, but I don't know what to do. This is where I stood. Correct, my everyone? Yes, I want to do it same like
Yes.
this one, but I know what is my expectation, but I don't know how to do it. Correct? So I got stuck here, right? The same situation will come in so many places going forward. Okay, good. So now, how can I learn to do the same thing, right? Where you seen it, here you seen it. Here you seen like okay, this can be do like this. Can we go to the farm design of it and then analyze it how it is designed here? Correct? I can take a model of it and then check it now. If I see here how it is developed, then I will get to know, right? So from incident form, I went to design of incident form. Correct? Everyone noticed it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
yeah. So now in incident form, okay, this is the design. Here, if you see here the design, okay, you have left side, you have right side, but short description are not there here. They kept under separate tab. Is that correct? This is a separate short description, actual start. These three are kept under one part. Everyone noticed it? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is this part? How we create for our table? Okay. Now you go here, right? This is our form, no? Okay, very good. So right click, configure, design, right? This is the frame, right? Now make sure that this is our table, right? You have this box. In this box, you have left and right side. And you've seen one more box here. What is that box? Is section. Okay. You say plus here. When you say plus, okay, it gives you something. It given me something? Yes. Okay. And that too, it's not two columns, it is one column. Now you drag and drop these two. So you are creating a separate box that is called section here. And you kept those two columns, okay, under that box separately. That too in one column because it is showing one after other, not one side other. Okay. Good. Save it. Everyone understood what I did, ma? I created a separate section. Okay. I created a separate section using this plus symbol and then I dragged those two under the section. Correct? Yes, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now
Yes,
you
sir.
go here. Okay. And then refresh the form. Okay. You see, you started seeing those two separately came and then they fit to the form. Very nice. Okay. And you see in the incident table also you are seeing the same way separately and then they exactly fitted to the form. Very good. But somehow, okay, your form is added with something extra, new section. And here you didn't see something called new section, right? So what happened? When you create a section, no, don't name anything. Just remove the name. Here the section have some name, no? Just remove the name. Make it blank. Save it. Okay. Now you go to the form, refresh it. See, observe this. This name will be removed and then it fits to the frame exactly. Now see, this part is one section arranged in two sides. This is one section arranged in one after others. You imagine it now? Yes, my everyone. You are able to imagine now by seeing this one.
Yes.
Yes. So this is how we design the form. Form design. Clear everyone? Yes? Yes. Okay. Good. Now, first part, form design. Okay, first topic of today is form design. How you are designing the form. Simple thing. Okay, but important thing. Okay, we do it for only one time form design. Okay, for entire table. Next, sir, I did this one. Customer came up and say, keep this active field on top, and then make the certification on second place. Okay, or move the certification to left side, and then planned start date you move to right side. Okay, active, planned date, and type of certification is here. Correct, everyone? You understood what they asked to do, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is what they asked to do, right? Now, how can I do it? Again, I can go to form design and then arrange it. This is one way that we already knew it. Okay. Second time, first time you used form design. Okay. Second time, if you want to do, you don't need to go to form design. You already did it. Okay. Next time, you can simply go to form layout. So see here, I'm here. This is the form, right? Right click, configure, form layout. Okay. So now the form layout give you this kind of box. What is this box is called as? Wherever you see
Slush bucket.
slush bucket.
Slush bucket.
Okay. Whatever you seen in the form design, the same thing you are seeing in a different view. That's it. Nothing difference. Okay. Now in the form layout also you can arrange the things. So see here, what is your requirement? Move the type of certification to top. Okay. Move the plan date equal to down. Means the split. Split means okay. This is the split. Okay, a wall between these two. Okay, I'm moving before split, after split. Okay. So after plan date, move it to right, and active should be on top, right? And save it. If I save it, this also do the same thing how you do it in design. Correct? So see here I saved it. And once I saved it, the changes are happening. Type of certification came to left, active on top, and then plan date is in second place. This one can be done using form design also. Yes,
Yes.
yes, I can do it using form design also. There, you just get drag and drop. That's it. Wherever you want to do. Okay. Form design, form layout both are same. But first time designing, you do with form design. Next time designing, you do with form layout. Why, sir? Sir, why can't I do directly? First time also I can't. I can do using form layout also. No? Why you showed form design? Why you are stressing us to use form design only for first time? There is a reason here. Okay. So very carefully see. When you do, let's say I am doing it for first time. Okay. I directly came to form layout, right? And I need to break the form into two pieces. To break the form, there is something called split. Do I know what is split for first time? No,
No,
No.
no.
I don't know what is split. Okay, so it is something like this. So imagine it is something like this. Okay, your form is like this. First time it is like this. Correct. It is like this, right? Now you go to layout. It shows like this. Then you need to use split first. So I don't know what is split. If I directly show the split, then you will get confused. It don't give you a simple way of understanding. So and then you need to here splitting it, na end split. You are have a split here and then you are ending the split here. So you need to know these splits and then effectively use it. Then only you get the control. The first time, na if you do this way, you get little hard. But if you use the form design, drag and drop is easy, na. This view is also easy to understand. The drag and drop is also easy to do. That is the reason we said use drag and drop and use form design for first time. Once you have the structure, system will automatically get all the splits and splits and all. Then you move up and move down. That's it. You should aware like okay, this is the split which is left side and which is right side, and then now you move it up and down. This is easy, correct? So now I want to move ticket source to top. Yeah, you can move it. Is that easy? Now, which is first one useful? Like form design is the first time, one time, and then next time onwards form layout, which makes our job very easy. Correct, my everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So these are simple things, form design and form layout. Okay, but important things. Okay, your table also, when you already designed it, you already created it, you design it how you want to design. Make sure that these two long fields should fit exactly, and it should not get any extra word here. Section name, clear the section name. Okay, first part. Any questions on this part from anyone? Any questions?
What is begin split, sir?
Begin split.
The formula.
So
Yeah.
here you splitted it now. So actually you splitted here. It's a new split started right here. That is itself is a begin split now. Here you splitted it, right? This is split, right? So here you started begin split. So begin split and split, end split. But you no need to
Okay.
give begin split separately. It takes automatically.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So one more thing. If you go to the list, incident list, why I'm showing everything in a model is because first we need to have a set expectation. No? So that's why I'm opening incident form and then showing everything from incident form. Okay. Sir, I've opened the incident list. Okay. When I open the incident list, right, I can see number, active, updated, parent incident, blah, 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 so many. But when I open this list, I can see only one. Okay. How it is happened, sir. Okay. How can I get it? So very carefully see, very important point. Okay. If I click this one, it gives you slash bucket. Okay. You can see what you want to see. Correct? This way you can get it. Correct, ma? Everyone? You understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
But, okay. If I move this particular work to production, if any user opens this list, will they get these two? Very carefully see. My question is, okay, it was like this. Understand this point, ma. Okay, very important point. Okay. We are too, this is too early. Many people can't even understand what I'm trying to say, but try to understand it. If I move this entire work to production or a test, if someone opens this list, they see, okay, only one column like how I am seeing here. If they open the list, they see only one column. Correct, ma? Everyone? Yes, everyone? Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is my point is, for everyone, whoever opens the list, I want to show some set of columns like this, minimum set of columns. Okay, maybe some 10 columns I want to show, 5 columns I want to show. Okay. And then later, if they want to see extra, they can add it, they can remove it. That is their personalization. See, personalization means user local setting. So see here. Now I added this one, manager. I added short description. I added assignment group. These are only for me. Personalization means only for me. But if some ABC person opens the same list, they can't see these three. They can see only first one only because this is the core image. You are understanding it, ma? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
When you
Yes,
are
sir.
when you are seeing for check this slash bracket, if you see personalized here, very carefully see personalized. This is meant for only you, not for everyone. Okay. So by default, this is only come up with one list. Okay. If you just go here, this is how it came. That means for every user of the instance, every user of the organization, they also will see this one. Okay. My requirement is the base image of this list. I should have some columns. Later they can change however they want it, but base image I should have some columns. How you configure the base image of this view here? Form you've seen it. Okay. Even form also they can change it later. You can have your own form layout options. Okay, you can add one or two. Okay. When I do it very carefully, see is that personalized or is that standard? If I add something here, will it only come to me or it will come to entire organization? Very carefully see.
Come to entire organization.
It will come to entire organization only.
Standard.
Yeah, because it's not a personalized, it is
Yes, sir.
standard. Okay. When you say configuration means it is a work, development work. If it is personalized means it's only for you. Very carefully see. This is very, very important for developers. Because if we don't know this different, you just go and then simply do it and then it may capture and updates it and everyone can start seeing it in live and then they will say why it is showing. Sometimes showing is fine, new thing is fine, but if you don't show something, then they will say yesterday till yesterday I used to see, now I am not able to see. Okay. So how you design the base image of your list? Form we seen it. Form layout, form design we seen it. But list how you do. Okay. Don't click this one. If you click this one, this is personalized. Right click, configure, list layer, list control. You do this one. How did I came? Right click here on the header of the list. Okay, not here somewhere. Exactly here. Don't press left. Click right. Configure, list control. Okay. Now the list control. Sorry, ma. Give me a second. Sorry, I think it's not list control. I think list layout. Sorry, I'm sorry. List control is different. Okay. Right click, configure, list layout. Form layout we seen it. This is list layout. List. Okay. Now this also open the same slash bucket, but this slash bucket and previous slash bucket of list is that are both same.
No.
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 No, that is personalized. This is configured.
Yes. This is configuration. This is development. And here you see it. You have personalized this list. Okay. You can do it for you only, but this is if you do this one, this is entire organization level. This is development. Okay. Now I want to show all of them. Now, so first to get a number, I want to show number first, and then I want to get created. Yes, created is there. Okay, and then whatever you want to show, you just show it there. By default, I want to show all these things. Okay, to every user. Later, based on their choice, they can update it. I think these are enough, right? Yeah, these are enough. Okay, so now these four are enough, right? What happened? Why? I think I need to do this one now. No, give me a second. Even though it is added, I need to add it. No, it should come. Did I do properly? Hmm. You have personalized this list with the list mechanism. You have not seen changes made here until you personalize and reset the columns. Okay, reset the columns to default. Okay, good. Good. Okay, so now you go here. Okay, where is reset the columns to default? This one. Yeah, right. So the default frame is the image that everyone can see. I went here. So see here in my personalization. Okay, there is a button to set it to default. Here you see. If I set it now, if I click this one, then you get it. Okay, now I added this all personalizations. Okay, I added everything, right? This is my personalization. I am an end user, I did it. Now I want to switch to the image where the core people, the core image, everyone can see. Now let reset to default columns. You are understanding it, ma? What is list layout?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Form layout is to arrange the things in the form. List layout is arrange the things in list view. And here the important thing is, okay, configuration and personalization. These two we need to understand. Okay, when we are developers, okay, if you want to personally develop it, you just go and then do it, but make sure that it is not development, it's not configuration. You need to have a look here. I just go here. So see here, I want to say column. See here, something like this. I want to say new field. Okay, so I did it like this. I went here and then I added it. Make sure that it is not configuration. If it is configuration, then you are doing wrong. Is that correct? My intention is to get
Yes.
only for me. Okay, I added it. Make sure that I need to make sure that it is not configuration. If it is configuration, then I am doing for everyone who is using the instance. That is not my intention. So you always have a look here. Configuration and personalization. You need to have a closer look here. That too, especially developers. Understood, ma?
Yes.
Okay. Very good.